Hello, everyone, and welcome to some word work. I hope you are ready to go. You have your whiteboard, you have a marker, and you remember our syllable division rules, how we break up our words into syllables because we're doing multisyllabic words this week. And I hope that you remember our markings and we remember how to do the sound, the spelling options, because there's 3 ways it can be done: ER, IR, and UR. And you have to try each one of those. When you hear that sound in the word, you have to try each one of those to see which one looks correct. Okay, and if you still can't figure it out, you go to the spelling option section in your student notebook to see if you can find the word. Here we go. Number 1, curtsy. Repeat, curtsy. Please, first off, how many syllables is it? Write a line for each syllable. Then say the first syllable. Curt, tap it out. Ert. Write out curt. What's the second syllable? C. Tap it out. S-E. Write it out. Then look at the whole word. Do you have the whole word? Curtsy. Right. Pause the video if you need to. Number 2, monster. Repeat, monster. How many syllables? Draw a line for each syllable. Then go to the first syllable, tap it out, write it out, and then repeat for all the other syllables. Pause the video until you're ready for the next word. Number 3, sturdy. Repeat, sturdy. How many syllables? Draw a line for each syllable. Go to the first syllable. What is the first syllable? Tap it out, write it out, and then repeat for the following syllables. Pause the video until you're ready for the next part. Okay, and now it is time to mark each syllable. You should have already had a line under each syllable because we drew lines. So now you have a line under each syllable. Now you need to say what type of syllable it is. Closed, vowel consonant E, open, or R controlled. And remember, closed and vowel consonant E have exceptions that you need to look at. Once you've marked what type it is, you are then going to mark the the vowel. You're going to mark the vowel. All right? Now remember, this is tricky because it's multisyllabic. You're going to have at least 2 syllables in there, and you need to mark each syllable. Pause the video until you have marked all of them. Now that you've marked the syllables, we need to go back and mark the Y and tell us what sound is the Y using. Is it the I or the E sound? And mark that above the Y. Pause the video while you do so. Okay, now it's ready to check our words. We have the word curtsy, monster, sturdy. Pause the video while you check and make sure that you've spelled and marked them correctly. If you have messed up on one of them, spell it correctly over here and mark it correctly over here so that you have practiced doing it correctly. Make sure you pause the video while you're doing this. Otherwise, we are done with our words. Aren't you so happy? You did it. I'll see you next time.